Hello children, today also I am going to teach you a new lesson from your comprehension book. The lesson is Ice Lolly. So you can take your comprehension book and turn to the page number 44. This is the poem that we are going to learn today. Unit 10, page number 44, Ice Lolly. Before starting this lesson, children, this is a poem. So before starting this poem, I will tell you who the writer is and what is an ice lolly. I think you can see after this last line of this poem, there is the name of this writer. The writer is Pi Corbett. Now you can see a picture of him. This is the writer Pi Corbett. He is a famous writer. He has written so many poems for small children like you. Right, children, have you eaten an ice lolly before? Now you can see there are colorful pictures of different types of ice lollies. Now see, they are very yummy and they are very tasty. So children, see, the people who are making these ice lollies, they are using different types of colors and different types of shapes to make ice lollies. Why? Then only the children are getting attracted to eat ice lollies. They are yummy and they are colorful. Now children, come to the lesson. Now we will learn this poem about ice lolly. Now I am going to read the whole poem. Then you also can join with me. Ice lolly. Red rocket on a stick. If it shines, lick it quick. Round the edges on the top. Round the bottom, do not stop. Suck the lolly, lick your lips. Lick the sides as it drips off the stick, quick, quick. Lick, lick, red rocket on a stick. The poem is written by Pi Corbett. Now children, I will explain you this poem, first part, second part and third part separately. Okay, this is the first part of the poem. I am going to explain. Ice lolly. Red rocket on a stick. If it shines, lick it quick. So children, here the writer is giving an idea of an ice lolly. See, red rocket on a stick. That means the writer is telling about the shape of the ice lolly. What is the shape? Yes, it is the shape of rocket. The ice lolly is like a rocket. And the writer is giving a color, red color. There are so many colors, but he is giving red color. On a stick. Now, I think you have eaten ice lollies before. So, the ice part of this ice lolly, it is on a wooden stick. So, that's why the writer is telling red rocket on a stick. Then third line, if it shines, lick it quick. Why the writer is telling like that, children? If it shines, lick it quick. Yes, why? If it shines means when we are in the sun, what's happening to cold things? Yes, they are getting melted. So that's why the writer is telling if it shines, lick it quick. That means if it is shining, that means it is going to melt quickly. So that's why the writer is telling to lick it quick before it's melting. Come to the second part of the poem, children. I will read once. Round the edges on the top, round the bottom, do not stop. Suck the lolly, lick your lips. Right, children, there are some places the writer is telling how to eat an ice lolly. See, round the edges. Round, you know what is the meaning of round. Then edges, the edges. Edges means corners of the ice lolly. and on the top. Then the writer is telling round the edges on the top, round the bottom also. Do not stop. The writer is telling do not stop. Why? If we stop eating an ice lolly, it's getting melted quickly. Then suck the lolly, lick your lips. Now writer is describing how to eat. Suck the lolly, then lick your lips. Why he is telling to lick your lips? Yes, because we are eating ice lollies with our mouth, no? So that's why the writer is telling to lick your lips. Okay, last part of the poem, children. Lick the sides as it drips off the stick, lick, lick. Red rocket on a stick. Right, last part, the first line. Lick the sides as it drips off the stick, lick, lick. Red rocket on a stick. Her children, here the writer is telling lick the sides. Again the writer is describing the places of an ice lolly, the sides of the ice lolly. Then come to the second line, as it drips off the stick. As it drips. Drips means putting inside the mouth. That means sinking. Then the writer is telling as it drips off the stick. Off means to remove. Now we can say, as an example, off your shoes. That means to remove your shoes. So like that the writer is telling as it goes inside your mouth, off the stick quickly. Otherwise it will damage your mouth. Lick, lick. Red rocket on a stick. Here the lick word is repeating here. Then finally he is again giving the first idea. Red rocket on a stick. The shape of the ice lolly is like a rocket, but always it's on a stick. So don't forget, children, the writer is Pi Corbett. The poem is Ice Lolly. Okay, you can see a beautiful picture of a cute boy. He is having an ice lolly. Okay, now move to the activity time, children. You can take your comprehension book again and you can turn the page number 45. There are some questions there, so you can write the answers, but I will help you. I will read all the questions once. First one, what is a red rocket? A red rocket is a lolly. A red rocket is a stick. So you can select the best answer. What is the correct answer? Is a lolly or is a stick? The number 2. Which part of the body does the poem say to lick? The poem says to lick the hand, or the poem says to lick the lips. So please select the correct answer. Then next part, write a sentence to answer these questions. Number 3. How many times can you find lick written in the poem? Right, very easy for you. You have to count how many times you can find the word lick. Then number 4. Where does the poem say to lick the lolly? There is more than one answer. Now I also explained you there are so many places that we have to lick the lolly. So you can write 1 or 2 there. Which other words rhyme with lick? Now there are rhyming words in this poem, but you have to find what is the rhyming word or what are the rhyming words that goes with the word lick. 7th one, poem says, if it shines, lick it quick. Right? Now you can write the answer very easily because I explained there. Why do you think it says that? Says this. Why the writer is telling if it shines, lick it quick. Then question number 7. What else would you have to eat quickly in the sun? The writer is telling asking from you, what else would you have to eat quickly in the sun? Now I think you have an idea about these things. The cold things, these things we have to eat quickly when we are in the sun. Question 8 also you can try to write a short poem. So children, you can add your own ideas. The poem you have to write is short poem, something else that is messy to eat. Like an ice lolly, you can write a same poem with your own ideas. Right, children, this is the end of my lesson.